So, good morning to all of you. So, today I have come with again introducing you to few books, and they are on how to study. Today, everything has become so technical, and many have done a lot of work on how to improve your efficiency of studies and so on. And so, I thought, not too late, but at least now I can introduce those books to you. Not that the same books may be available even now, because I have brought these books when I was probably a student, and some of them may not be available. But all I'm trying to do is let you know that such books are available and you can use it to your advantage. So, the first book which I have is a very old, famous book, which is called How to Study by Harry Maddox. In fact, this man has done a lot of research work on how to study, and even in Wikipedia, you will find his reference and how he has done and all that. This book I bought for 20 rupees. But now I know, when I searched a few days back in the internet, it was costing around 3000 rupees or something like that. Because there's a Western edition. I don't know if Indian reprints are still available. But it is a very highly researched book, very well written, and most of the components of study he has brought out. Next book I can show you is one which is called, interestingly, How to Pass Examinations. How to Pass Examinations. Though the book is titled like that, I think Fred Orr is the author, and it is titled for probably, I think, marketing purposes. It is a very thorough book. It gives you all what is that principles based on real academics. So definitely it is a worthwhile book. If you can get this book, it should definitely help you a lot. And the next book, of course, it says how to excel in studies, score high marks, 100 out of 100 and whatnot. I mean, super scientific study and all that. This book definitely is available even now. So you please see this book, How to Excel in Studies, Score High Marks, 100 Super Scientific Study Techniques. So beautifully, I mean, in highly marketing person. So, but the book is good. It has also got some very fundamental principles on how to improve on your study. And the next book I have is again How to Study, big book on how to study. The great big book of how to study. It is written by Ron Fry. And this also has enough organized thing on all that components of how to become a really good student. And one suggestion, since I remembered now, I give is you can probably read the book from beginning to end, or you can just see the contents and you can decide which chapter you should read first, because they are not to be read from page 1 to page 2. I mean, last page. So some of the aspects which you find, you're having problem, those chapters you can read first. And these books are not to be read and oh, I enjoyed reading. These books are not meant like that. These are meant to understand and put into your own life. All the principles given there, you have to put into practice. So you can take one idea at a time. Not that all the ideas you can implement immediately. So take one idea at a time. For instance, normally I give top priority to time management. So time management, suddenly you decide you make a new timetable and try to do it, nothing will happen. So what you do there first is, you study your own present way of spending time. Then slowly make modifications by which you can make it a study technique. So one aspect, study first you take time management aspects, and even the time management aspect also, that's what I'm saying. Make only one point and implement it for a week. And once you have become steady on that, then you take the next point and add to it. So like that, these books are tremendously helpful. Now the next book which I am introducing is one of the most interesting book, Becoming a Master Student. Author's name is Dave Ellis. This is a very highly researched book, updated so many times. I think the 15th edition or something, not just a reprint, but he updates with the modern facilities available and so on. And really wonderful book. I mean, um, it was beautiful color print, whatever it is, you can see, and whatever, and very highly organized, written neatly. First, it tells you to analyze yourself. It's called a discovery wheel, and having discovered which are all your weak points. Of course, he also says those chapters you concentrate first, and very highly effective book. I can vouch for it. But this book also presently is quite costly. I know only the American edition available. Amazon, if you go, you will get it. But sometimes I wonder whether I should say it is a costly book, because some of your parents are now so rich, this money may not sound like a costly book. So such people definitely can go for it. Remaining the name, Becoming a Master Student by Dave Ellis. You type on the internet, you will immediately get it. I don't think they have a downloadable version, but if you can find that, that also is good enough. So please do make use of these books and improve upon your efficiency of learning and retention and whatever. So thank you so much.